天到了50元 ，we need to change the tickets.
Because my passport doesn't work.
Yeah， 现在我们就进来了，坐10分钟的公交车到世界画廊。
The pictures are so pretty. And so far we just came to the area. It's already so pretty. So much nature. It must look so amazing inside. Really, I love the trees here. All the plants. And it smells really good.
No matter where we are, it's always raining.
That's true. These days always raining. We leave the city when it stops raining and we go to the next city when it starts raining. We've been so lucky. This one, the roads were so steep and so many like turns like this. Just a small fence. And here a thicker one. But it's really deep down. Look! The train is here.
Look at the train.
We're going in the train, the really cool train.
Yeah,
Wow!
I need to show the tickets.
The really cool train. I wonder which one we got. There was like a pig, a dog, a dragon, all of them, really. Wow.
请进。
好了，Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
This is red car. 学习强国号。This car is the best.
Wow.
Yeah.
What?
Why? Just love China. Study, strong, the country. Go.
That's so cool. This is really cool.
I want to go
I
upstairs.
want to climb up there. Bye-bye, train. Beware of wild monkeys. Oh.
水真的好清澈哎。
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow. So nice. Wow. I know.
Wow, so many! And then so red. And a baby, monkey baby. Hold your phone.
Oh my god. Another monkey baby. This is the first time I see a monkey.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, the tree. Slowly down. From the flash. This small one.
So cute. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Oh. I take my credit card.
Just slowly down. Careful, leave.
The bunny train.
Bunny train is her
Pink
favorite
bunny
one.
Train. I said, wow, I really wish we get the bunny train this time.
Yeah.
And look, how can that be?
So now we're going to take the elevator.
Wow, that looks so cool. That sounds so high.
Yeah, so
The view must be so amazing.
change the stairs.
Another workout.
I got background. It's so amazing.
Wow, okay, let's go.
And I can feel so cool now. We're in the mountain.
In the mountain.
Then we're going to take the elevator.
Wow, elevator.
We're the first one.
Nice.
Let's go. Ooh.
Oh my god, let's get the best view.
Turn on your phone. Get ready.
机场的自信号，目前家界第一行走高度为326米，以每秒5米的速度匀速运行，很快我们就可以欣赏到外面的美景了。请关注。
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's so cool.
1分钟快到，自由消费，在这边排队。
哇，我们在这里排了队，然后来这里只能拍1分钟。最高顶的百龙电梯的 KFC， 来吃一顿。
It's so funny, there's even a KFC up here in the mountain. It must be fun to work here. This is the highest KFC in whole of China, I think. So now we're just gonna eat a little bit and then we're gonna take the bus to another place.
Here we go.
Here we go now. Some milk tea, some Pepsi, some burgers. Yummy, yummy.
I don't know why she really loves this one. Bubble tea in KFC. 现在去下一个景点，天子山。哇哦！
Wow.
我们可以蹭一个免费的团。Okay, just wait here for free.
Just join them. So now let's have a break and look in here. This is cool, like the old times. So pretty. Ooh, this is cool. I like these. Wow. Sit in here and relax, maybe. Even you can get some massage here.
Yeah, you can eat here. It's restaurant.
Nice.
This one is so popular in Beijing, old Beijing. They always want to take this and just hail the birds. Whose birds is the beautiful? Whose birds can sing better?
Wow, it looks so peaceful here. It reminds me of the place we go to in Chongqing. This room.
Just for cheap.
Wow, private room.
Snake wine.
Snake wine?
Yeah,
That's real?
yeah. It's a kind of medicine.
That's really cool. I don't want to drink that. I prefer the KFC.
我们现在去天子山的车上。Their speed is so fast.
Yeah, look, I'm holding like this. They're so high, seriously. The car is driving like this. And even there's still some houses here. There's still some people who live here. That's so high.
我们下车了，在最高处的地方吧。这里有一条美食街。
What animal is that? Dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Yeah, it's true. Make a comment in the comment section. Do you think it's dinosaur or cow?
9号。Go.
A tour guide.
Yeah. We have changed so many tours.
Yeah.
You don't have to book any tour
Just sneak around.
because you can meet so many different tours. Oh. Okay, McDonald's wings.
What? There's a McDonald's here?
Yeah, there's
No
McDonald's
way.
here. Much higher than the KFC.
Wow, that was the highest KFC, but there's an even higher McDonald's, of course. That's so funny. So fresh? Perfect.
We always take something for free.
It's nice.
It's warm.
Yeah, it's really fresh.
And there's a tourist behind me, so I can always hear that.
也是整个天子山最漂亮的地方。现在呢，看一下时间啊，现在是3点钟。
走下去的话，3到5分钟。
Amazing. Let's go down there. 3 to 5 minutes. Wow, here much better. This is a really good view.
It's so high up.
Oh, I want to jump to this one. Just lay down to enjoy all the view.
Interesting.
leave now,
Yeah,
it's
the
going to
rain
rain.
is coming.
Yeah,
So
I can feel.
everyone's gonna run to the bus.
No bus.
No bus?
No bus.
Eh?
I have not booked the bus. Just go down.
Go down the whole way.
Yeah.
Sluta.
Which one looks good?
This one is so...
下大喽.
I love that they built so much here. They built some fresh stairs, some fresh benches.
Well, how can they build?
How can they get all of that up here?
During very old time,
Yeah.
there's no road.
No, they just carry that shit. Wow.
The air is so fresh. The air is so clean
Yeah.
and so cool.
So cool. And we're so sweaty. You want to buy some ice cream before with me?
欢迎光临曼盛丰曼盛库冰淇淋当劳。
Hoping, Boba.
She's too weak. I
Nee.
carry her to here.
Nee, nee, nee. Nee, maar nee. That's why you're breathing so loudly.
She's sick and she's weak. And of course, it's my duty to carry.
He's the most honest man. Never lies. He has never lied before.
If you still have energy, so I will book the tickets for another one big show.
Yeah, holy shit. I'm so excited for this one. I think I have never done that before. This
Let's
view
go.
will be so good. Oh, look at the clouds. Seriously, we're so high now. Oh my god. That's why you said you didn't book a bus down.
Yeah, I didn't book a bus down.
You weren't lying.
I didn't.
You never lie. Wow, I'm really excited for this one. Oh, how fast it's going now. I'm so excited. Hey, this is really cool. My first time, I always want to go on one of these. So yes, here the view is really good. Like we're flying. I really want to fly over here to look down. I really want to climb here. Like,
Dinner time，本地特色下山锅，下米山锅，腊肉、猪肉和什么？这些外婆菜炒鸡蛋，他们不喜欢这个芹菜。然后我问他们怎么吃的，他们说生吃，难怪不喜欢，生吃我也不喜欢。
还要不要给你加个火和油口呢？
还有，
青菜可以下着吃的。
应该下不了了，都饱了。拿回去我们碰过。
我知道，没事没事。
真的，不然一会儿万一滴到油什么的。
你等下如果再需要的话，我再给你拿过来。
应该不用了。
应该不用了。
会这样。
好。
this one, I really like this one.
This one's the best. 上我们订了千古情的票，7点20开始。他还是比较喜欢看这种剧的。
你吃饱了没？
好了，我吃不完，分量有点多了，可以缩减一点。
对吧？
都吃不完浪费啊！特了一个菜，剩这半个菜，这里也有剩。哎呀，
送一个，还给我节约了一个菜，主要是。
Let's go. Wow. Eh? How did they make that? That's so cool, baby. Wow. This one is so big. Take your time for him. And for me, take a look around. This is seriously so cool. This place is huge. You can play some games here. There are some people fighting for their life to cross. I want my baby to try this one. Holy shit. And then this one. Looks really fun. I want to play here. I win. He went in here. He's already went. Wow. Come on, baby. Oh! Nay! He dropped the microphone! Nay! Baby! Yeah, even there's water here.
Yeah.
就是美的世界，充满爱与神奇的土地，张家界。
This was so fun. And even from the start, just the like whales and the bubbles, they started immediately. Wow. Oh,
Water,
the lights, the
wind,
water.
the seats is moving.
Yeah, the seats were moving. So cool. It was really impressive, not only the performance, but how quick they were to clean the stage
Yeah.
and change. And then someone's like distracting us in the background. And we look there, and then we look, and they changed everything. Wow. Really, just a few seconds. That was so emotional. This one had many sad stories, generally sad. I was watching it like just
这里面设计一些红色的故事，改编成的舞台剧。他在看到这些舞台剧之后，他也很受感染。不能遗忘历史，但是也不能带着有色眼镜去看待现在的人。不管我们身边的朋友是属于哪个国家的，我们也都应该友好相待。无论是哪个肤色，无论是哪个民族、国家，我们都不希望看到他们 respect。
好，后面的朋友继续靠近篝火舞台，身后咱们一起舞蹈，一起狂欢。跺里仰角，走一步；跺里仰角，走一步，保证大家一学就会。第二组舞蹈动作，双手举过头顶，左右拍拍，5、6、7，走，右拍拍，左右拍拍，5、6、7，走，1、2、3、4，2、2、3、4，3、2、3、4，4、2、3，停，左右拍拍，左右拍拍，左2、3、1，动右脚啊，踢左脚，动左脚啊，踢右脚，右，好，左脚对，左，右2、3、4，左2、3、4，再快点，越来越快，加油！加油！大喊一声！拜拜！
That was so shocking to me. We're gonna dance. I thought we're gonna watch them dance, and this guy teach me how to dance.
Yeah.
That was really fun. My first dance in China. Thank you, newbie.